Acts, ano yan? Acts.
1:360.
Sige, basahin mo.
1:360.
Nandito na para makita ka sa video nito. Basahin mo para makita natin. Basa mo.
Hindi, dito. 1:360.
Obadiah. Ang malapit na yan.
1:360. Sabi mo. 1:360. 1:360.
Malapit na.
Malapit na. Yun, Acts na ito.
Acts na ba yan?
So naman chapter 13. Hanap namin yung chapter 13.
Nakita mo na?
13.
Acts, 15?
Acts chapter 13. 13, 13.
9 tayo, 9.
11, 12.
13 verse.
Saan ba yung 13?
Anong verse?
13,
Verse
13.
ano?
Yan, ito 13.
Verse?
Ito. 13 verse 1.
Verse? Basa mo. Basa mo.
I-highlight.
Saan kung highlights natin ba? Basahin mo muna. Mamaya hanapin ni Daddy.
Now in Antioch, there were prophets and teachers in the local congregation. Barnabas as well as Simeon, who was called Niger, and Lucius of Cyrene, and Mani, who was educated with Herod and the district ruler, and Saul.
Acts chapter 13 verse 1.
Yes.
Ano sabi doon? Si Saul, yun yung ano niya, nag-travel siya?
Yes.
Acts 13 verse